Hello friends, this is a video based on the Dynamic 3D finance and operation. Previous video, lot of video we have shown related to water menu items availability in different module. This module we are covering system administration module, in which workspace is system administration, data management, feature management, optimization, advisor. System administrator module is very important module on which admin related things are there, like managing user, online users, user groups, user request, then security related things, which role we need to assign to user, then security configuration, external roles, security diagnosis to task recording, domain user security accounts, segregation of duty roles, segregation of duty conflict, segregation of duty unresolved conflict, very complex of user roles, assignment to assignments. Then workflow related things are there. You can set workflow parameters. You can run workflow infrastructure configuration wizard. By this wizard, this will set 3 batch jobs for work items, due dates, and one more is there. User workflows, user workflow parameter, all workflow configuration. Under inquiries, you can check which database attached to your ERP, database information, database log, SQL and fragmentation details, then data caches, tile data cache, set cache, KPI, detail cache, then user log, you can check the user license count history, then personal search report, user role assignment, role related reports are there, then license related report. These are the basic setups like license configuration, server configuration, and batch group. Batch group is used to set in batch jobs, and active periodic for batch jobs, batch class configuration overrides, system job parameter, entity store, Power BI configuration, Power BI files, configure performance tool, system parameter, client performance option, personalization, Office app parameter, configure, cross company data sharing, Azure Active Directory application, key vault parameter, throttling priority mapping, B2B, invitation configuration, custom fields. You can set the alert rules like for modification, insertion, deletion. You can set alert rule. Then user will get alert in the notification. Integration configuration, then business event catalog, business event parameter, then database log. You can set database log parameter and database log setup. Database log setup, you use whatever event occurring to particular table like insert, update, delete. You can set database log from here. Then data cache parameters, tile data cache configuration, data set configuration, cache configuration, KPI cache configuration, KPI detail, data cache configuration, then email parameter, system email templates. Email parameter is to set emails to particular users or the client, customers, and you can set batch job also based on the email parameter setting. An email history, in a background process automation. Then periodic tasks, these are the periodic tasks. You can clean the notification, batch job history you can clean, data maintenance and consistency check, then alert, change based alert, due date alert, email processing, email distribution batch, email attachment, email broadcast, batch email sending status, retry. These are the things available. Then maintenance diagnosis validation rule, schedule diagnosis validation rule, run performance tests, workflow history, data cleanup. All these things are available under this periodic task. You can check one by one and learn many more things here. So I am ending the video here. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.